Greetings. Welcome to Cryptography and Data Security. I am Professor Stedman, and I will be your instructor for this course. Whether you're majoring in computer science or working toward your cybersecurity skills and career, or simply just curious about how secure communications actually work, this class will give you the foundation you need. You don't have to be a math major, okay? You don't have to be a security professional. Just bring with your curiosity and the willingness to practice problem solving. Over the next several weeks, we'll be kind of building from the ground up, looking at cryptography and data security. In week 1 and 2, we'll be talking about the mathematical backbone of cryptography. Again, don't have to be a math major. We'll come and explore such things as modular arithmetic, prime numbers, how keys are built. In week 3, we'll be talking about how we can protect data integrity to make sure that individuals cannot get to our data when it should be secured. We'll be going through various methods like MDS, SHA-1. These don't make any sense now, but you'll be an expert by the end of the 7 weeks. In week 4, we're going to talk about secure communications and key exchange. We'll study various things like certificates and public keys and TLS. In week 6, we'll be talking about passwords and attacks. And what are some of the things that criminals out there are using to try to break our data and to get to things that they shouldn't be getting to. In week 7, we'll be talking about the future of cryptography. With that, post-quantum, zero knowledge, some other items we'll be covering. Now, how is this class going to work? Okay, this is a hands-on practical course. You'll see concepts, then immediately apply them through short coding tabs, weekly discussions, problem sets, and a final project that ties everything together. I am here to support you. Okay. My teaching approach is this. I'm going to explain it, the concept, as clearly as possible. I'm going to show how it works. We're going to guide you through doing it yourself, and then we're going to connect it to the real world. At the end of this course, you will understand not only how cryptography systems work, but why they work. In addition to this, one thing that we're going to be doing with your project is that we're going to be doing deliverables from your project each week. So you'll have your general assignment that will kind of reinforce the concepts we'll talk about in the videos and in class. Okay. But with that, you're going to take that same basic assignment items that you'll be working on, and not only applying it to a general type application we'll be talking about, but you'll have to do the same thing for your project. I'm leaning toward having single person projects. I'm going to look to see how that's going to work out. But just right now, just plan on your project being individual. I'll let you know if that changes. But with that, so each week 1, you'll be working on the assignment, and then week 1, you'll be working on your project. Week 2, assignment, week 2, project. So rather than, again, waiting for to start working your project in week 5 or 6, and for some in week 7, you're going to be having a deliverable for your project each and every week. So keep that in mind in this course, that how those things are going to work with kind of a dual process between the general assignment and the project that you'll be working on. So what's next? Review your syllabus, look at week 1 material. Again, look at the assignments, look at the quizzes, look at your project, and we'll basically be going from there, and looking forward to seeing each and every one of you, and see you in week 1. Have a good one. Bye.